Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 14 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's simply unroll the upper bar with the options. So just swipe your finger from the top to the bottom, and here let's tap on the timer. In this device we've got 4 different options, so 10, 5 and 3 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, it will be immediately highlighted. What is more, it is visible right here. So all you have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, to quickly turn off the timer, simply tap on this icon right here and the timer is off, which means that from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.